URSA, it's a 100-year company, so we've been here for a while. Seems like every year or two we seem to add a little bit more and expand the size. Safety is something that's become part of our culture. It's getting more and more important. We're developing new programs and our newer mentality for safety. You only get one chance to do it. What I really enjoyed about this new bin is the catwalk we have around there, from the slope and the grade and the steps. I think it's going to be a lot easier for us to navigate, especially this wet or icy times. Well, we don't have to worry about getting us extra safety harness or a lifeline, and we can just go there and do our job and feel good about it. When you work with these guys, you get close to them, you want to make sure they're safe. And when you have something like that, it does make you feel better about it.
So we've built quite a few bins for URSA. It's either the 7th or 8th bin that we've built for URSA, and they're all the million bushel 132/156s. So the Brock EVERLOC Walkaround System, very intuitive to assemble, very common sense based, went together easy, no fit issues. I couldn't have been happier with the first time assembly. Having that EVERLOC Walkaround up on top of the bin gave my guys a safe place to access the peak of the bin. They didn't have to be tied off. They could focus on lowering our center pole and stairway and getting us ready to start jacking the bin. My impression of this Brock EVERLOC system was it creates a big enough platform up there and work area that they aren't going to have to modify. The workers that are going to be servicing that every day can comfortably access the conveyors, the towers, have a good work surface. They're within handrails, they're safe. They don't need to be tied off. They can move freely to do their work, which I think makes all the difference in the world. So one of the things that Brock did with this EVERLOC system is make it to where it can be retrofitted to other bins. And I think that's genius, and it matters. You can put this on when a bin's 100 feet in the air and you've decided you need a work platform. This attaches up there to the outer compression ring, and it can be put on after the fact, and you do not have to make any roof penetrations.
If another co-op asked me to use an EVERLOC Walkaround system, I would definitely recommend them to use it. It's ease of access, makes it easier for you just to move around in it and access to everything you need to do on your bin, and makes it safer for the guys. And in the end, that's what's about for URSA Farmer Co-op, it's what's about for me.
So the biggest benefit to the Brock EVERLOC Walkaround system, in my opinion, is safety. I tell my guys all the time, nothing we do is worth your life, your hands, your fingers, your toes. This system creates a work surface and a workspace that is extremely safe for anybody who has to access the top of a bin.